Merry Christmas to everyone. Christmas is celebrated joy, peace, and happiness. It is celebrated to honor the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas is celebrated 25th December every year. People go to church and light the candles to pray God. People bring Christmas tree to their homes and decorate it with all family members together. Christmas tree is decorated with colorful balls, lights, stars, and ribbons. It is also believed that Santa's come to give you lots of gifts. Come on, let's see what Jesus Christ teaches with this gift. Thank you.
About 2000 years ago, in a small town called Nazareth, there was a little house where lived a young girl named Mary. She was not married. Well, one day something amazing happened. An angel of Lord Gabriel appeared to Mary. Who are you? I am Gabriel. Don't be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God. Soon you will have a son. Oh, me, a son? Yes, and he will be called Jesus, the Son of God. May God do with me as he wants to. Finally, one night, Jesus was born. And oh, it was a wonderful night. Big star shining in the sky.
For what shall it profit a man if he gain the whole world and suffer the loss of his soul? Do not let your heart be troubled. Trust in God, trust also in me. All my authority in heaven on earth has been given to me.
Jesus Christ takes away sin and gives the Holy Spirit. Jesus will be in our heart forever.
Look at the children's heavenly smile. All of them are dressed in style. Kids are dancing along the aisle, for they know Santa is coming in a while. Santa is coming, Santa is coming, Santa is coming, Santa is coming. Santa, he knows all your needs. A little extra for all the good deeds. Somewhere from the sky so high, Santa comes is coming. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Stars are shining, the bells are ringing. We know what dear Santa is bringing. Gifts for one and gifts for all. He loves and cares for one and all. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Going around on his reindeer flight, giving surprises all through the night. Santa doesn't show a ray of light, for the happy faces will keep him bright. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Santa is coming. Snow is falling, birds are singing, the stars are shining, bells are ringing. Don't you know something? Santa is coming. Snow is falling, birds are singing, kids are dancing, people are smiling. Isn't it something? Isn't it something? Well, Christmas is coming. Isn't it something? Well, Christmas is coming.
Merry Christmas, my dear children. I am your favorite Santa Claus. Like every year, this year also, I brought you so many gifts. But always remember, you also have to share gifts with your friends. Because sharing is caring. And Christmas teaches us to practice kindness and love towards each other. Let's decide together to celebrate Christmas with these resolutions. First, show love and care towards everyone. Second, be kind towards others. Third, be helpful to others by helping the needy. This is the real way to enjoy the festival of Christmas. Thank you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish